Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, amazing day. So I'm back with another, my last Globeland project. So I use this stamp set right here. You can see where I use my pink fresh ink, so you can see where I didn't clean the stamps off. So I use those. I use the Have a Blooming Marvelous Day out of that one. And Flying by to Just Say Hi out of that one. And then I use these dies right here that I showed in the very first video. I did not use this one, but I used these other two, and they're like 4x6s. What's the other one I didn't use? I didn't use that one, and I did not use this one. But yeah, let me show you what I made real quick with that. But as you can see, they cut out well, but I showed that in the very first video how they cut out. All right, so the first thing that I made was a postcard. So I know I love postcards, so I made a 4x6 postcard. And this die, the red die that comes from the set, is 4x6. So I just added 2 more pieces, so it's a little bit bigger than a 4x6. But I cut out the red piece. You see the ladybug, that's a layering piece. And I put the butterflies on and having a blooming day. And then I glossy accented the butterflies and popped them up. And then I die cut it out again and just hit certain pieces with the green, because the red just seemed to blend right in. So if I hadn't been thinking, I about should have just did ink background and die cut it out, and it could have had red and green all the way through, but I wasn't thinking. But this is my postcard. Have a blooming marvelous day. And then the other one that I chose to work with, I made a tall card. Again, just a little bit bigger than the 4x6. Flying by just to say hi, and pop that up. And then I glossy accented the bees on here and added some twine. The inside is blank. But yeah, and like I said, all of the everything will be in the description box below. The link, if there's a discount code, it will be in the description box below. All right, you guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will be back with another video. Thanks for watching.